of those around her. From her very steps to her... Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce to you our star of the night, Zareen K. Lumano!
She brings into the lives of her family and friends. Lord, we ask for your special blessing on her. May she grow in wisdom, kindness, and courage. Keep her safe, healthy, and happy. Surround her with love, good friends, and guidance as she continues to grow.
Let's start with Zeljan Gomez. Okay. Next in line, we have Kathleen Lomanog. Happy birthday! Okay, thank you. Next in line, we have Sean Enriquez.
Hey.
Next, we have Gia Zion Piras. Happy birthday, Kiki! And now we have Rohan Gibson Ginto. Okay, last but not the least, Ken Dingat. Happy birthday, Ken. Start with MJ Gomez. MJ Gomez.
Happy birthday, Tibok. I wish stay Black Beauty and God bless you. Happy birthday, Tibok ulit.
Next, we have Jaira Antonia.
Birthday, sorry yan ang nabili ko kasi wala akong nabili. Wala akong nabili ng gift site. Ilang. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Ate Jaira Antonia.
Happy birthday.
Next, we have Jalene K. Dina.
Happy birthday, Kate. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Kylie Chuchay Ferrer.
Happy birthday, Ate Kate.
Palakpakan po natin ang ating birthday celebrant. Happy birthday, Kate Lumano.
Gcash ko na yan mo. Ala ka, kanino Gcash? Tapos cash out meron pa ako. Guwapin. Oh, happy birthday, Kate. Kaya pa mo yan ha, Yeko. Wala pang blue bills na yan.
Happy birthday, Kay. Wish ko sa'yo, patuloy kang maging mabait sa lahat, sa mga kaibigan mo, lalong-lalo na sa parents mo. Lagi mong tandaan na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday ulit, Jerry.
Okay, now thank you for
call niyo? We will call now is Tito Rapi. Tito Rapi. Calling. Representative po ni Lola. Rapi. Ay, Aaron Tanhueco. Calling for 7 years. Aaron Tanhueco. Palakpakan naman po natin siya.
Happy birthday, Kay! Alam mo na yan eh. Mahal yata ka parang Joby. Buri mo rin post mo pa. Lalo yung mumurahin. Ikit kita eh. Hindi ka kain na ako eh. Ako na. Mars, kain na ako. Anyway, Kate, happy birthday. I-wish ko kayo na. Ariyan mo pa mag-aaral mo. And I wish you all the happiness in life and all the blessings. And sana may 10 million followers kayong daddy mo and kayang vlog. So, happy birthday! Also, ating niya pong message kay Vice Mayor Amos Rivera. Ako na yung pepadala na kasi po bigatin niya na mag-debut. Pero paniwala na kanong munta. From Vice Mayor, sa pasabi nga Rema, happy birthday na ng 8. Ang po ng ating time po talaga. Happy birthday. Ito papabiyan na, biyan ko na yung mukhang dati. Okay, happy birthday.
Alan Lumanov, last but not the least, to our 7 bills.
Happy birthday day to Bini sa parang.
Okay, thank you for Alan Lumanov. This is... Wala ba tayong mga kamay dyan? Palakpakan natin ang ating 7 dancers na si Lolo Marmar. Once again, happy birthday, Kate Lumanov. Okay, thank you natin sila. Palakpakan naman natin si Lolo Romil. Si Marvin Gomez. Salamat tayo! Once again, happy birthday! Palakpakan naman natin ang ating birthday celebrant! Once again, happy sukses na ng guwapo na si Cameron. Palakpakan naman natin siya. Wala mo nakakapit Romano. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Isa pa nga! Happy birthday, Kate Kapatanan! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Isa pa! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday. Sound of round of applause and taking Lumanov. Happy birthday to you, KK.
Happy birthday. I love you.